Welcome to Auterion Mission Control, the app to plan and execute missions for drones powered by Auterion. With a single app, you can control any drone that is powered by the Auterion software platform, using a hardware ground controller, a tablet, or your laptop. Log in to enable compliant flight logging. Easily toggle between different views for flying, planning, vehicle setup, photos, user account control, and application settings. Start planning your mission right away with simple controls and intuitive views. You can prepare accurate plans offline from your office and load them later in the field. Depending on the goals of your mission, you can add different items such as waypoints to follow a specific path, or points of interest which are automatically tracked by the camera. All items can be edited or deleted in the mission editor on the right. Camera actions can also be triggered from this panel. Create confidence by putting a geofence around your flight area to make sure you will never fly in unsafe or restricted airspace, and add rally points to define safe landing locations in case of unexpected incidents. To complete the mission, add a return to launch item. Alternatively, you can select a survey pattern, which is a preset grid flight path over a polygonal area, flown at a particular altitude and using specified camera settings. This pre-configuration can be very useful in cases like ours, where we want to map the rectangular surface of a building. Use the survey editor on the right to configure camera and grid settings. Easily adjust the survey area to accurately follow the perimeter of the site you want to map. You can view your planned mission in 3D to easily spot potential risks due to the environment conformation. When your mission planning is done, you can save it and easily load it again in the future. Prepare for flying in the field by connecting your vehicle to Auterion Mission Control. Then upload the planned mission to the drone. An automatic pre-flight checklist will make sure that your vehicle and planned flight path are safe to fly. Now you are ready to start the mission and follow the operation on the screen. With the tight integration of Mission Control and the Auterion operating system on board the drone, missions are executed precisely and efficiently. Switch from the map view to the live video streaming to maintain situational awareness and control the camera settings on the go to ensure high-quality imaging results. You can switch to a 3D view anytime during the flight. On the map, you can see the exact points where the camera has taken a picture, giving you immediate feedback of the correct execution of the mission. You can verify the results of the mission in the gallery, where pictures are visible and ready for download as soon as they are taken during the flight. Thanks to the tight integration between Auterion software components, flight logs are uploaded to the Auterion suite in real time while the drone is still flying, and images taken in the field are transferred to the online flight gallery. This enables a unified experience throughout the complete workflow. From the ground to the air to the office, drone missions have never been so perfectly and easily integrated into enterprise workflows.